or any problems with, if you're a drinker, a smoker, it cleans out the liver, bladder, and it brings all the toxins down to the bottom of your feet. So you'll notice the color changes in the foot bath associated with the ailments that you have in. So it's awfully good to try to get a foot detox in at least once a month. Some people twice a month. So if you look down at the foot bath here, you'll start to see that the first color that normally originates is the orange and stuff like that. Smokers like me, when I was smoking, you'll see green. But you'll have to look up on the chart to see how the colors are. We'll let you view a little bit now, and in 30 minutes, you know, it'll totally bring your color. So if you're just starting out and you feel like you need to detox more, you can do it twice a month. And that's it for the foot detox, and we hope y'all come in and check those out. Oh, I didn't know this. That's how they play with you, Chris?
Yes.
The hop.
It made that.